Welcome back to grammar class, students. In today's class, we will be learning sentence, okay, about a sentence. Now, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay, now for example, boy he good is a. Does that make sense? No. This is wrong. It is not a sentence because it does not make sense. Boy he good is a. Now we have a group of so many words. Look, boy is a word. He is a word. Good is a word. Is a word. A is also a word. Now we have one group of words, but this does not make sense at all. Boy, he good is a. What is that? It does not make sense, right? So now let us arrange this to make complete sense. He is a. We bring in a, and we take this good and bring down here good boy. And now I keep a full stop. Now does that make sense? He is a good boy. Yes, now you understand, right? That I am saying that someone here, okay, that he is a good boy. Now that makes sense. Now you understand that this sentence, this group of words makes sense. So this is the correct sentence. Okay. Now we have a group of words and also it makes complete sense. It has a meaning. Now also a sentence always begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Now if you look here, you must be wondering why all these words up here are in small letters, but why Miss is writing a capital letter here? Because a sentence always begin with a capital letter, means a big letter, okay? It always begin with a capital letter and always end with a full stop. Do you understand, students? Now, for example, we have two other sentences here, okay? That makes complete sense. Also, it begins with capital letter and also it ends with a full stop. Now let us look at these two examples. Hira eats soup. Okay, now that makes sense. This whole sentence makes sense because it tells us that Hira is eating soup. Okay, that he eats soup. Now here also, do you see we begin with a capital letter, okay? And we end the sentence with a full stop. The next sentence we have here is, the dog can run. Now that also makes sense. Now this sentence tells us that the dog can run. And this is the correct sentence also because it begins with a capital letter, okay? And it ends with a full stop. Okay, students? So now I want you to try writing a sentence about yourself. 5 sentences. Now I have helped you here. Okay, write in your copy. Write 5 sentences about yourself. Suppose now in the first sentence you can write my name is, then you write your name. Do not underline. I've just kept this line so that you will know that you have to write your own name. Okay, my name is, you write your name, and remember to begin with a capital letter and also to end with a full stop. This dot is called a full stop. Okay, and then second sentence here, number 2, you can write I am dash years old. If you are 5 years old, you will write the number 5. If you are 6, you can write 6. Okay. Now next in sentence 3, okay, sentence number 3, write I am a good boy. If you are a girl, you can write I am a good girl. Okay? And number 4 here, you can write I love to eat ice cream. Do you see? Always begin with a capital letter. I love to eat ice cream. Then you keep this full stop. Okay? And lastly, number 5, you can write I love playing with my friends. And also keep a full stop. Always remember to write with a capital letter. Now look here. You can see Miss is also writing with a capital letters right in front. So in the beginning, you will begin with a capital letter and you will always end with a full stop. Okay, students? So I want you to try this on your own. If you want to write your own sentences also, you can write. Like, for example, instead of writing I love to eat ice cream, you can write I love to eat pizza or burger or chocolates, whatever you like to eat, okay? And you can write, instead of writing I love playing with my friends, you can write I love playing with my brother or with my sister, or I love my parents very much, okay? Just try out writing few sentences about yourself, only 5. And in the next class, we will write more sentences, okay? Maybe about my family or about my friend. Okay, now first you need to understand a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Not like this one here. Boy, he good is a. That does not make sense, right? But he is a good boy. Now this makes sense. And always it begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay, students? Now if you do not write a full stop, it will be wrong. Okay? And if you do not write with a capital letter like this, if you write with a small letter, that will also be wrong. So remember the rules for writing a sentence. You have to always begin with a capital letter and always end with a full stop. Okay, students, that is all for today's class. Write 5 sentences about yourself and I will see you in the next class. Thank you.